Yes, sir. You already know this your boy B Hayes. We back with another. Let's go and get right into it. You know we don't like to waste nobody's time. But before we do that, let's give this video a quick thumbs up so it can reach more people. Okay, today we're gonna be touching bases on NAK. That's ticker symbol NAK, Northern Dynasty Minerals. So we talked about this previously on the channel. So some of you guys should already be in it. Some of you should be up. And where I had got in at, I told you I got in kind of for a high price, especially from the dip that it had. I got in at 95 cents. It ran up to $1.05. I sold for my profit. And then that was a perfect time to sell because that's in the time where weed, Tilray, S&D, OGI, all that was going crazy. And then once it reached its top and it pulled back, we know we had a massive fall. Once it had a massive fall, the whole market came down right with it. And all the places I called out, I tell y'all, wait for that pullback. That was the perfect opportunity for the pullback for you to get into these plays at a very cheap price. Like, for instance, NAK, ticker symbol NAK, on the day of the weeds falling like that, when I sold at $1.05, NAK pulled all the way back to 85 cents a share. Great entry price. That's 20 cents off the high of that day. 20 cents off. That's when y'all supposed to be getting in. So for the ones that's in or the ones that stayed in, I hope you didn't sell on that pullback and got scared. I hope you added more to your position. For me, I sold at 105. And then when that pullback came, that was another opportunity for me to get back in again. So I just want to share that with y'all. Now let's look into it. NAK opened on Friday at 88 cents. It reached a high of 93 cents. The low was 85 cents. The 52-week high was 249. The 52-week low was 30 cents. That low, 85 cents. I was just telling y'all that was your opportunity to get in. But stick around towards the end of the video. And for the ones that's not in on this play, I'll give you some entry points and exit points. Let you know what's a good price to get in on this at and what's a good price to exit. Once for gains and for your losses. Because just because we get in on the play, that don't mean we guaranteed to make money. We also want to have a plan and be prepared. We want to know what we're getting in, what we're getting out at, whether it's going against us or if it's going for us, our way. You feel me? So we need to have a plan, either or. So let's get through it, y'all. Next, we want to look at the headlines, the articles. Let's see what kind of articles they got put out about Northern Dynasty. This one right here kind of old, but I just want to bring it back to y'all attention for my newer viewers. We know that Northern Dynasty got a Pebble project. They put the investors on the back burner a year or two ago. They been talking about this Pebble project, but they just put it in the headlines and never did it. So this time they doing kind of the same thing, but this bringing more hype towards the stock because they mentioned this Pebble project again. So let's see. Northern Dynasty stock surges as it released Pebble appeal details. See, again, just details. They not saying that it's confirmed. They doing it. They sticking with it. They just keep putting out little teasers about this Pebble project to keep raising value to their stock price. Watch this. Northern Dynasty Minerals. I'm not saying that they not going to go through with it or nothing. I'm just saying they steady teasing their investors. Northern Dynasty Minerals, ticker symbol NAK, is appealing the decision by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers to issue a negative record of decision for proposed massive Pebble mine project in the Bristol Bay region of Southwest Alaska. So they're working on that Pebble mine project out there in Southwest Alaska. On Wednesday, the company published the request for appeal RFA document on its website. According to Northern Dynasty CEO Ryan Dyson, there are some very compelling arguments in the RFA. Okay, let's go on. Let's see what they got to say about this Pebble project. The Pebble project has received additional support from the state of Alaska. So that's good, y'all. They got a support from their headquarters, from where they from. Right here in the state of Alaska, they supporting their movement. So, which has also submitted a request to appeal to the USACE, addressing its concerns at the owners of land and subsurface mineral resources at Pebble. Okay, and then let's go. We're gonna skip through that. That's not as important as this. If permitted, Pebble would be North America's largest mine, capable of producing 750 tons of gold, 70 million tons of gold. So if they get permitted, they get accepted, Pebble would be North America's largest mine. That would be huge. This stock could skyrocket if this thing go through. So even before the thing go through, with the anticipation on it going through, they pricing it in right now. This thing could start taking off as soon as the bill open. It could get to $1 plus and hold $1 and keep going. SNDL, we just got a market update. It's up $2.24. SNDL to the moon. I told y'all, let's go. Hopefully we can reach 3 plus today. So let's talk about Pebble though. So anyways, let's see. Shares of Northern Dynasty Minerals surged 13.3% midday Wednesday, following the release of the FRA document. We surged 13.3% on Wednesday, and then we had lost all those gains, and now we're regaining ourselves. So now let's see what the Wall Street analysts, let's see what, we like to see what their target is, what their price target is on this stock. Boom, let's check it out. The two analysts offering 12-month price forecasts for Northern Dynasty Minerals have a median target of 248 with a high estimate of 375 and a low estimate of 120. The median estimate represents a plus 176% increase from the last price of 90 cents. So this thing is fairly undervalued from where Wall Street is pricing this at. The low estimate is $1.20. That's another 30-cent increase. And the high is right around $4, $3.75. This thing has huge potential. But like I told y'all, don't let this, just because they saying this, don't put all your funds on this just because Wall Street analysts got a price target of such and such. I told you, just use all this information as your little homework, your little homework guide. You're doing all your homework right now. You finding out this, you finding out that. You feel me? Don't use my information as your decision. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just here to show y'all the stocks I'm investing in, how I'm trading. Don't let me influence you. Don't let the Wall Street influence you. I'm trying to show y'all, just use that as your homework. We doing our homework, and then use all that plus the price action to help you come up with your decision, because you the executive. All right, so let's see, y'all. Let's look into it. Now, I told y'all these companies like they ain't really too much hating on this company. They giving them hell of a good price target, but they like to hate on these companies in public and they be buying them in private. So let's see what they doing though. So increased positions. We got 15 million shares, 36 holders. Decreased positions, 5 million shares. Held positions, 34 million shares. Out of total institutional shares of 55 million, we got 5 million decrease. So they holding 50 million out of 5, and they sold 5. New positions, 5 million shares. Sold out positions, 1 million shares. So we see that. We see where their money at. We see what their money doing. Told you, use this as your homework. All right now. Now, last but not least, let's check out. We ain't gonna check out the chart on this one. We ain't gonna check out the chart on this one, guys, because the market is about to open in a second. So I'm gonna just go ahead and give y'all some pointers on how to play this one. Right now we trading at 94 cents. The market just opened. It was at about 95. So we anticipating on a nice pullback. As soon as the market open, we should see a pullback in the 80s. So a good price to jump in on this one will be around 88 cents, 89 cents. I will boom. And then I will hold some firepower. Remember I told you, hold that firepower just in case you want to revisit that 85 cent again. Revisit 85, boom, I'm loading up some more. Then hold some more firepower just in case. You might not never see this price, but you want to be prepared. Just in case they pull all the way back to 79 cents, I want to have some more bread to load up. Boom, 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 boom. And then we're going to ride this one on out to $1 plus. You feel me? We're going to ride it on out, y'all. So that's how we would play this one. And then what we would get out at is, for gains, is $1 plus. Where you would get out for a loss, if it go against us, is 75 cents. That's why I told you, hold that last firepower all the way to 79, because we didn't want to get taken out by stop losses and stuff. I'm gonna show y'all in other videos, because I know a lot of y'all probably don't even know about this, but you can go into like your buy. When you buy and sell, you can set limit orders, you can set stop losses, you can set trail and stop losses. So far as like, you can put it in the computer to like, hey, I want to sell this stock at 75 cents. if it falls to that level. Just go ahead and take me out. And the computer will automatically take you out because you got your order and your shares numbers in for where you want to get out, just in case it fall below. Just in case you out doing something, you're not looking at it all day. It just went on ahead and took you out. But we'll talk more on that and stuff because we'll talk more on that. So anyways, I told y'all the price targets. I told y'all where to get in at. I told y'all where to get out at. And I told y'all y'all got the entry points. So that's all we got for this video. Hope y'all enjoy. If you like these type of predictions, these type of updates, giving y'all these price points, you already know you found the right place. Consider joining the family. It's your boy B Hayes. You already know. We out. God bless.